morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to have one science experiment which works like a magic. So there are many objects with us. It's balloon, one candle is there, matchbox with many of the matchsticks. Got it? And a glass, empty glass. Fine, Rishabh? Could you please hold it for me? Thank you. So first of all, we are going to enlighten the candle. So see, this balloon is not able to stand like this, right? We have to hold it. Now see. Would you like to hold it? It's not, from here only. It will not fall. नहीं गिर रहा ना ये, है ना? Is this a magic?